Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, dear brothers and sisters? My name is and I am a mother of two kids. I am a teacher of Quran. I did Dars Nizami from Wafakul Madaris Salfiya and during this I did my FA intermediate from Lahore board, and while this I teach in different institutes, tafsir of Quran, hadith, and grammar, and also in a school, Al Fajr school, Montessori classes. I teach the Montessori classes. Now I'm here in front of you. This is my YouTube channel, and now I have a need. I have a dream of. I have a dream that I learned English language for enhancing my personality, and a big purpose behind this is that I want to spread the Quran in whole world, especially to the European countries, and I want to teach Quran in English language, Tafsirul Quran in English language, Hadith in English language to the native persons. And therefore I am starting my learning English language. I start my learning. Before this I teach in a school, Al Noor Tahfizul Quran Center. I have a good position in this school, but I leave it for my learning. Now also I am teaching online classes. I'm taking online classes of Quran, but I want to learn English, especially for Quran. I want to check the taste when a non-Muslim get Muslim, divert into Muslim. I want to check this taste. I want that even a single person become Muslim because of me, because of my teachings, because of my guidance. I want this. Therefore I am starting learning English. I start the learning English language. I know I am doing many mistakes in this, but I want from you. You must highlight my mistakes. I want to learn this language just for the sake of Allah, just for the spreading the Quran. Therefore I want from you. You must highlight my mistakes and help me in this journey. Help me in this journey by highlighting the mistakes. Okay, inshallah. I will upload on this channel. I will upload the videos on this channel every day, inshallah, and maybe 2 videos in a single day, inshallah, in which I will tell you about something, some stories, and some videos I describe in front of you, and you must highlight my mistakes. Okay, Allah Hafiz.